Hello everybody, time for another installment of Let's Open the Boxycharm box. It is time for Boxycharm, and I am really anxious to see what's in here this month. I hope you guys are too. If you're not familiar with it, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. It's $21 a month, and it delivers 4 to 5 full-size products every month right in your mailbox, and I love it. And it comes, here we go, like so, and there's a little card in there. Let's see, on the back it says 10% off your next purchase of IT Cosmetics. Discover other superhero products on www.itcosmetics.com/top-10. Anyway, so it has a little coupon there. And then here's the theme for the month, Alter Ego. And then it tells you all about the stuff in your box. So let's see what we have. The first thing right here that I see is IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. It says Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. This elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make the thickest, most defined lashes ever. $24. So there's the cost of your box right there. Here is what the brush looks like. It's a good size product. I'll be anxious to try this because I am very picky about mascaras, and so I'll have to try this, that is for sure. I've heard a lot about it. Haven't gotten to try it yet. Now I get to, so that's awesome. Next up we have Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. The highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips moisturizing comfort they deserve. This goes for $20. Very pretty, gorgeous packaging. And let's just swatch that. Here we go. Pretty color. Great for fall. Alrighty, I've never used a Kat Von D lippy, so this will be a first for me. Next we have Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. The detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. This goes for $30. There is 2 lace masks and a 20 milliliter tube in here. So that will be interesting to try. Oh, I feel a tube in there. Next up we have Pharmacy Beauty Green Clean. I've heard a lot about this stuff. It smells like the spa. It smells good. This cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. I'll be using this tonight, I'm pretty sure. This is $22. And last but not least, we have the Pure Complexion Authority Midnight Masquerade Palette. So here's the outer packaging, and it has the colors on the back. And it says this 10-piece base palette will make any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelids for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all the skin tones and eye colors. So, see, oh, it's sealed. Let's see what we got in here. There we go. And now if I could get it out of the Unicarton. There we go. Oh, it's very pretty packaging. Oh, nice. So here's the face stuff, and here's the eyeshadows. It's got a little mirror. Okay, so they're more on the cool tone side. Very pretty colors. You've got kind of a steel blue here, brown, deeper blue, kind of like an olive green here, a plum, and a black. And over here you have some really pretty face powders. Let's see, this one's called Twilight, Hidden Secret, Enchantment, and Reveal. So these are very, very pretty. I can't wait to use this. Let's just swatch a few of these on the hand. I like this steel blue, that's very pretty. And this plum. Ooh, this black. Oh, these feel really nice. Oops. These three right here. Very pretty shades. Alright, well that does it for our unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to give the video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and click the little bell so that you're notified of all my uploads. Thanks again for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!